1. 1923 Ford Model T Hot Rod. Price, $22,000, located Choteau, Oklahoma. This wild 1923 Ford Model T Hot Rod is a professionally built custom street machine that combines lightweight classic styling with legendary Chrysler Hemi performance and aggressive old-school hot rod attitude. Featuring a fiberglass body titled as a 1934 Chevrolet, this unique build delivers an eye-catching appearance with a low stance and authentic traditional hot rod character. Under the hood sits a freshly rebuilt 1956 Chrysler 354 Hemi engine equipped with an Isky solid roller camshaft and adjustable rocker setup for impressive horsepower and strong throttle response. The drivetrain is paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission using an aftermarket bell housing and 10-inch converter for dependable high-performance operation and excellent acceleration. The vehicle runs extremely strong and has been carefully assembled using quality performance components throughout the build. The lightweight body and powerful Hemi engine combination create an exciting driving experience that perfectly captures classic American hot rod culture. This custom Model T is an ideal choice for enthusiasts searching for a unique vintage street rod with legendary Hemi power, aggressive styling, and strong collector appeal for shows, cruises, and weekend driving enjoyment. 2. 1933 Plymouth Hot Rod. Price, $8,500, located Indianapolis, Indiana. This custom 1933 Plymouth Hot Rod is a classic street machine that combines vintage styling with traditional hot rod performance and strong custom build potential. Featuring a lightweight fiberglass body mounted on a professionally built frame, this Plymouth delivers an aggressive old-school appearance with excellent street rod character. Power comes from a dependable Chevrolet 327 small block engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission that provides an authentic driving experience and strong performance. The vehicle also features 4-wheel disc brakes, good oil pressure, and a solid clutch setup that helps create a reliable foundation for future finishing work. Although the car currently needs brake adjustments, front-end alignment, and lighting connections completed, it still runs and drives well enough to load easily onto a trailer. The body presents nicely with a sleek black finish and classic coupe styling that stands out at local car shows and cruising events. This hot rod is being sold with a bill of sale only and offers excellent potential for enthusiasts searching for an affordable custom project with traditional American hot rod personality and proven small block Chevrolet performance. 3. 1948 Chevrolet Stylemaster Coupe. Price, $13,500, located Chicago, Illinois. This classic 1948 Chevrolet Stylemaster Coupe is a dependable custom cruiser that combines timeless post-war Chevrolet styling with upgraded mechanical components and comfortable street driving capability. Finished in a blue exterior with a black interior, this Stylemaster sits on a 1966 Chevrolet frame that improves ride quality and overall drivability while preserving the vintage coupe appearance. Under the hood sits a reliable Chevrolet 327 small block engine paired with a smooth-shifting 350 automatic transmission and floor-mounted shifter for enjoyable cruising performance. The vehicle also features power steering, power brakes, LED headlights, upgraded LED taillights, and 20-inch wheels with newer tires that give the coupe a more modern custom look. All glass is included and remains free from cracks while the brake lights, turn signals, and horn are all functional. Although the wipers and heating system are currently not operating, the car remains very dependable and easy to drive. This Chevrolet Stylemaster is not intended to be a high-end show car but instead offers an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts searching for a stylish vintage cruiser with classic American character and reliable V8 performance. 4. 1932 Chevrolet Confederate. Price, $34,500, located St. Louis, Missouri. This beautifully customized 1932 Chevrolet Confederate is a professionally built street rod that combines classic pre-war styling with modern comfort features and dependable high-performance upgrades. Finished in a sleek black exterior with a gray interior, this chopped steel body Chevrolet delivers a bold, aggressive appearance while maintaining timeless vintage hot rod character. Under the hood sits a powerful Chevrolet 350ZZ crate engine paired with a smooth-shifting 700R4 overdrive automatic transmission and small stall converter for excellent cruising capability and strong acceleration. The drivetrain also features a 3.73 positive traction rear end that improves traction and overall street performance. Additional upgrades include air conditioning, heat, shaved door handles, and fiberglass rear fenders that complement the custom body modifications perfectly. The interior remains clean and comfortable while preserving the traditional street rod atmosphere expected from a professionally built custom coupe. This 1932 Chevrolet runs extremely well, drives comfortably on the highway, and offers an excellent combination of vintage styling and modern mechanical reliability. It is an outstanding opportunity for collectors or enthusiasts searching for a high-quality American street rod with strong performance and excellent craftsmanship throughout the build. 5. 1929 Ford Model A Rat Rod. Price, $21,500, located Wyandotte, Michigan. This authentic 1929 Ford Model A Rat Rod is a true traditional hot rod built with classic old-school style, custom craftsmanship, and legendary flathead V8 performance. Featuring an all-steel body with custom paint and vintage pinstriping, this Ford perfectly captures the aggressive personality and raw appearance that define traditional American rat rod culture. Power comes from a classic flathead V8 engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission that provides an exciting and authentic driving experience. The rear suspension has been upgraded with an airbag setup that allows adjustable ride height while maintaining the low aggressive stance expected from a traditional custom build. Inside, the custom interior complements the exterior style and creates a unique atmosphere designed specifically for classic hot rod enthusiasts. The doors have been welded shut and the vehicle does not include a roof, reinforcing the raw traditional appearance of this summer cruiser. This Model A was professionally built by a Midwest custom shop and remains a strong running street rod designed for weekend cruising, local events, and collectors searching for a unique vintage rat rod with timeless American hot rod character. 6. 1932 Ford Roadster. Price, $28,000, located Wentzville, Missouri. This beautiful 1932 Ford Roadster is a classic custom street rod that combines timeless open-top styling with dependable Chevrolet V8 performance and traditional hot rod craftsmanship. Finished in a rich burgundy exterior with a clean white interior, this Roadster delivers a striking appearance that perfectly captures the spirit of classic American street rod culture. The vehicle features a fiberglass body mounted on a tubular frame and subframe setup that provides improved strength and durability while maintaining the lightweight design expected from a performance-oriented hot rod build. Power comes from a reliable small-block Chevrolet engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission for smooth shifting performance and comfortable highway cruising capability. Additional features include a Ford 8-inch rear end, 4-wheel disc brakes, chrome-drilled drop axle, and custom suspension components that create an aggressive stance and solid handling characteristics. The vehicle carries a clean 1932 Ford title and is ready to cruise immediately. Although the suspension rides slightly firm, the Roadster drives very well overall and remains an excellent choice for enthusiasts searching for a dependable vintage street rod with timeless styling and strong V8 performance. 7. 1928 Ford Model A. Price, $21,000, located Benton, Arkansas. This custom 1928 Ford Model A is a beautifully built street rod that combines classic vintage styling with modern comfort features and reliable Chevrolet V8 performance. Finished in a clean white exterior with a black interior, this classic Ford delivers an eye-catching appearance with smooth body lines and traditional hot rod personality. Under the hood sits a dependable small-block Chevrolet engine paired with a 700R4 automatic transmission that provides strong acceleration along with comfortable highway cruising capability. The vehicle also features vintage air climate control, making it far more enjoyable to drive during warm weather and long-distance road trips. The custom build presents very well overall with a low aggressive stance and clean detailing throughout the exterior and interior. Inside, the black interior creates a timeless street rod atmosphere while offering comfortable seating and a clean driving environment. This Model A has been carefully assembled as a reliable cruiser designed for local car shows, weekend events, and highway travel. With strong small block power, upgraded transmission, and modern comfort additions, this classic Ford remains an outstanding opportunity for enthusiasts searching for a stylish vintage street rod ready to enjoy immediately. 8. 1934 Plymouth PE. Price, $35,000, located Pendleton, Kentucky. This powerful 1934 Plymouth PE is a professionally built custom hot rod that combines rare vintage styling with serious supercharged V8 performance and aggressive street machine attitude. Finished in a bright orange exterior with a black interior, this custom Plymouth immediately stands out with its bold appearance and intimidating performance-focused design. The vehicle features a full-heights frame and upgraded front suspension setup that greatly improves handling, ride quality, and overall driving stability compared to original factory configurations. Under the hood sits a massive supercharged engine equipped with a 650 Wein blower and dual 4-barrel carburetors delivering exceptional horsepower and explosive throttle response. The drivetrain and chassis have been carefully prepared to handle the increased power while maintaining dependable street performance and strong acceleration capability. The exterior presents beautifully with smooth body lines and custom detailing that perfectly complement the aggressive blower setup protruding through the hood area. This Plymouth PE is an outstanding choice for collectors or enthusiasts searching for a rare custom hot rod with unique styling, impressive supercharged power, and serious show quality presence at cruises, car shows, and performance events. 9. 1940 Ford Custom Hot Rod. Price, $22,000, located Pangburn, Arkansas. This stunning 1940 Ford Custom Hot Rod is a beautifully styled street machine that perfectly combines classic Ford design with aggressive custom performance appearance and traditional American hot rod character. Finished in a deep black exterior, this custom Ford immediately grabs attention with its massive hood scoop, custom front grille, and muscular street rod stance. The vehicle rides on polished mag wheels wrapped with wide performance tires that enhance both the visual impact and aggressive personality of the build. Inside, the black interior features racing harnesses, embroidered Ford logos, and custom door panels accented with blue and red trim details that add a unique touch to the cabin. The engine compartment presents extremely clean with professionally organized components and an MSD ignition system installed for dependable high-performance operation. The overall presentation of the car reflects strong craftsmanship and attention to detail throughout the build. This 1940 Ford Hot Rod offers the perfect combination of classic styling, aggressive custom appearance, and reliable street performance, making it an excellent choice for collectors or enthusiasts searching for a head-turning vintage Ford street machine ready for cruises, local events, and weekend driving enjoyment. 10. 1934 Ford 3-Window Coupe. Price, $31,500, located Eureka, Missouri. This sharp 1934 Ford 3-Window Coupe is a professionally built custom street rod that combines timeless coupe styling with dependable Chevrolet V8 performance and modern driving upgrades. Finished in a beautiful blue exterior with a black interior, this fiberglass body Ford delivers a sleek aggressive appearance that perfectly represents classic American hot rod culture. Under the hood sits a mild-built Chevrolet 350 small block engine paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission for strong acceleration and smooth highway cruising capability. The vehicle also features air conditioning, power windows, digital gauges, four-wheel disc brakes, and a Jaguar rear end that improves ride quality and handling performance. The body and paint present extremely well with excellent shine and smooth lines that make this coupe stand out at local car shows and cruising events. Inside, the black interior offers a comfortable driving environment while maintaining a clean custom street rod atmosphere. The car runs and drives excellent overall while delivering dependable performance and modern comfort features. This 1934 Ford Coupe is an outstanding opportunity for enthusiasts searching for a reliable vintage hot rod with classic styling, upgraded components, and strong street presence. 11. 1934 GT Coupe. Price, $27,000, located Highland, Illinois. This custom 1934 GT Coupe is a traditional old-school hot rod that combines classic steel body styling with proven Chevrolet V8 performance and aggressive street machine personality. Finished in a clean blue exterior with a black interior, this vintage Ford delivers a timeless appearance with a low stance and authentic hot rod character. The steel body sits on a strong square tube chassis designed to improve structural rigidity and overall handling performance. Under the hood sits a dependable Chevrolet 327 small block engine connected to a turbo 400 automatic transmission with a TCI 3000 stall converter for excellent acceleration and smooth shifting performance. Additional upgrades include an 8-inch rear end with 3.54 gears and true track posi traction setup, rear disc brakes, and aluminum fuel cell mounted in the trunk area. The vehicle also features a spacious custom interior with a van bench seat providing comfortable seating even for taller drivers. Although the interior still requires some finishing work, the coupe remains a strong running street rod ideal for cruising, local events, and enthusiasts searching for a traditional American hot rod with classic styling and dependable performance. 12. 1931 Ford Vicky. Price, $23,500, located McHenry, Illinois. This freshly built 1931 Ford Vicky is a modern custom street rod that combines classic vintage styling with brand new performance components and aggressive hot rod personality. Finished in a bright red exterior, this Ford Victoria features a completely new build with virtually no miles since completion, making it an exciting opportunity for enthusiasts searching for a fresh custom project ready for final detailing and road use. The vehicle sits on a professionally built Speedway Motors frame equipped with a fabricated Ford 9-inch rear end for improved strength and dependable performance. Under the hood sits a brand new Chevrolet 350 V8 engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission delivering strong acceleration and reliable cruising capability. The build also includes bomber-style front bucket seats with a matching rear seat already prepared for installation. The custom body and chassis combination create a low aggressive stance that perfectly captures traditional hot rod culture while incorporating modern mechanical upgrades throughout the vehicle. Although the car still requires a few finishing touches, it remains an outstanding opportunity for collectors or enthusiasts seeking a nearly completed custom Ford street rod with excellent performance potential and classic American style. 13. 1931 Ford Victoria. Price, $25,000, located Wayland, Michigan. This custom 1931 Ford Victoria is a beautifully rebuilt vintage street rod that combines classic Ford styling with reliable Chevrolet power and comfortable long-distance cruising capability. Finished in a rich red exterior with a gray interior, this Ford Victoria delivers timeless pre-war styling enhanced by carefully selected modern upgrades and custom detailing throughout the build. Under the hood sits a dependable small-block Chevrolet engine paired with a 4-speed 700R4 automatic transmission that provides strong street performance and comfortable highway driving. The vehicle has been rebuilt with many new parts and presents very well overall with smooth body lines and a clean custom appearance. Inside, the cabin includes a small rear seat area and a comfortable driving environment designed for enjoyable cruising experiences. Additional features include removable hood side covers that add versatility to the exterior appearance depending on personal preference or weather conditions. This Ford Victoria is ready for long road trips, local car shows, and classic cruising events while offering dependable mechanical performance and vintage hot rod personality. It remains an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts searching for a stylish traditional street rod with reliable V8 power and classic American charm.